Now, Wave 31 Storm Tracker meteorologist Grace Anello with 31 Triple Doppler.
I'm sorry, I was going to say these snow events, we always wonder right up to the minute what's actually going to happen. It's happening.
It's happening right now because we know things can change, but it did not change in this case.
No, it did not.
That's right. It's held pretty consistent for the last maybe 24 to 30 hours or so, and it is happening right now. In fact, guys, in the Shoals, it's almost done happening. Take a look right now at 31 Triple Doppler. 5:10 on your Wednesday morning. If we could take that alert day banner down. There we go. We're starting to see some clearing happening in southern Tennessee and in the Shoals. So you're pretty much done with the snow today. It's one round, it's in, and then it's on its way into Georgia and out of our system. The heaviest of the snow we're seeing Scottsboro, Gunnersville, down to Coleman. I am tracking some rain sitting along the I-59 corridor. That's going to be common this morning. You're hanging on to a pretty significant amount of warmth there, so you're going to end up seeing some of that pockets of clouds, some of those pockets of rain as well. The rest of us, though, it's pretty much just that snow, so we're not worried too much about an icy component. By 6 a.m., we're going to be done with snow for almost everyone west of the corridor. One or two, whoa, I just lost a snowflake earring. One or two pockets of flurries could remain. However, we're really just seeing that snow coverage east, and at that point, it's even weakening as well. That gets out of our system before too long. By 7:30, 8 o'clock, we're pretty much done with that snow. We're left with cloud cover, but that's all that's in store for the rest of the day. Southern Tennessee, as well as in the Shoals, anywhere from 1 to 2.5 inches of snow. At last check, Cherokee had about 3 inches, and you were by far an outlier. Tuscumbia, Muscle Shoals, even towards Waterloo, you saw about 1.8. The rest of us looking at anywhere from a dusting to about an inch, inch and a half, and that's looking to hold true as well. As a result of some warmer weather yesterday that's left our roads warmer, we're tracking only a few travel impacts. We're going to have more slippery and slick spots than we're going to have buildup of that snow. It's hitting the ground and then it's melting, at least on the road. So it's almost like after a rain day, a very heavy rain day, maybe one of the ones that we had last week when it was just raining for 24 hours straight, kind of feels like that on the roads. What we're seeing, though, is the snow build up on the grass. What's a bigger story actually is going to end up being those temperatures. We're cold today, and then we're even colder tomorrow. Feeling like 16 in Lawrenceburg, Tennessee right now, 24 in the Rocket City, feeling like 22 in Muscle Shoals, and 28 in Gunnersville. There's that slightly warmer patch. As we head through the rest of the day today, a significant wind chill keeps us at our warmest, feeling like the mid-20s. Very little change from what we're seeing right now. So if you are heading out, bundle up to the fullest extent and plan to stay there. Of course, today is that 31 alert day because of the snow. Tomorrow, we're talking about a caution day because of that extreme cold. By Friday, we're still pretty frigid, but at least we're above freezing for our high temperature. Tomorrow, starting at first thing about midnight tonight and lasting until noon tomorrow, we actually have a cold weather advisory in place. We're waking up tomorrow morning in the teens, feeling like the single digits, 3 degrees. That's how you're feeling tomorrow morning when you wake up. Even when you get to work, feeling like 6. In fact, we're not feeling above freezing at any point. At our warmest, we're feeling like the mid and upper teens, even despite the sunshine. So unbelievably Arctic. You gotta make sure you're prepared. Really think about frostbite tomorrow and taking care of the things and the ones you love. We stay pretty cold on Friday. This weekend, we're slightly more mild. And next week, we feel like spring. Tuesday and Wednesday, highs in the upper 60s. And we'll be right back.